Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create Microsoft account in a very easy way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's get started. First, search for Microsoft account. Microsoft account create. Just enter. You can select this one or this one or this one. For example, I selected this one. It asks you sign in. Click sign in. If you have your account, you can directly sign in. For example, I don't have. Just create one. Insert your email address. From here, for example, I'm in this Microsoft account. I bring this email address. If you don't have, you can create a one. Control C. Paste it here. Next. From here, create a Microsoft account. Create a Microsoft account. Verify your email. Verify your email. From here, we get a code. This code. Bring the code. Control C. Bring it to here. My region is Iraq. Month, for example, day, year. Next. First name. For example, ENG is first name, school is last name. Next. Let's prove we are human. Press and hold. OK. Just OK. Sign in faster with your face, fingerprint or pin. I skip it for now. Add your phone number. You can add phone number. I removed it. That's all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice day.